The fifth activity is the impression of a measure. That is, if you make something press upon plaster and take it away, the plaster retains the picture, form. And in time, we will use this form to galvanize the mind and senses without the original. That is what is called recollection and memory. You see, I go to India and then if I think of Rudolph, he is there in my mind. I can hear your voice. Where? Upon the plaster layer of mind, it is tape recorded upon a tape in my mind. And I can hear Rudolph speaking and smiling and saying ho ho, etc. The sound will be heard in the mind. The face will be seen in the mind. And I can imagine that I am going here, coming here. So I can talk to my friends saying, while I was in the house of Rudolph, I can say some things. Then I will be seeing the pictures. So all these three activities can be used here also, except the sleep. We cannot recollect sleep because we don't know what is sleep. The moment sleep comes, we are not there, mind is not there. So only after awakening, we can understand that we have slept in the past. No one knows what sleep is, because when the sleep comes, the mind sleeps and he cannot know. When he awakens, he can know only that he has slept. So this is not known by anyone, except when he is awakened in the real self. Then he will know what his sleep is, because he can see his mind and senses sleeping. When the yogic activity starts, when you are awakened in the right self, that is the transmitting pole, then you will find your receiving pole, negative pole, the apparatus sleeping. Just as you see another man sleeping, you can see yourself also, the lower man sleeping. Now, ordinarily, it is not known. So, we know only these three activities, and the representation of the three activities through memory, that is impression of measure. These are the 5 types of reaction of the mind and the senses. And these can be used correctly when you are a master of the apparatus. But when they use you, it is only a wrong usage, and when you are able to use them correctly, they are simple and comfortable. When you are not able to use them really and comfortably, it is the discomfort and complicated. Because when you go away, you think and think, my husband is in Geneva, I am in Paris. Depression. That is the wrong application, difficult. Because we are wrongly applying the last item. When the wife wrongly applies the 5th item, that is, my husband is in Paris, I am in Geneva. When you say eat, she can't eat because the husband is in Paris. But eating has nothing to do with the husband staying at Paris and the lady staying here. She calls it love. But love has nothing to do with this. So it's a wrong application and a confusion and total failure of the whole thing. the more we get familiar with these things, the more we know the mechanism and the working of these parts of the machine. And then by following the process of yoga, we get at the mastery over the whole mechanism. And we will be a technician who can use the whole machine properly. So when rightly applied, it is comfort and the process is called simple. When wrongly applied, it is difficult and the process is called complicated. Now, this is clear? Or anything more?
Yes.
Of course, concise, because this is an introduction of the all parts of the plant.
Yeah.
Suppose we go to a big electrical plant or big a soap factory or something like that. He takes you to each section and he explains. Now this is the big wheel. Under this wheel there are 7 wheels and there are crank wheels. They run like this. You should not put your finger like that. He will be explaining somewhere. And then he takes you to the chimney. He says, this is the chimney. The whole thing comes here. Like that he explains. So first of all, we should have a comprehensive idea of all the parts and how the total works. Because all these days we are understanding the total machine as Mr. Rudolph, Mr. John Gates, etc. Not as the whole machine. We are taking things as total. And we are dealing with them wrongly. We are putting a finger in a wrong place and it is burnt, and like that we are living.